Experiencing Ethernet issues with your J5Create docking station? It usually boils down to two main culprits: faulty LAN cables or outdated or incorrect drivers. Less frequently, compatibility issues with your operating system or hardware malfunctions can be the cause. We'll guide you through troubleshooting these common problems. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a frequent cause. Visit the official J5Create website and download the latest drivers specifically for your docking station model and operating system. Uninstall the existing drivers via Device Manager on Windows or System Preferences on Mac, then reinstall the new drivers. After uninstalling, run the installer for the new drivers you downloaded. Finally, reboot your computer after installation to apply the changes. Confirm your docking station is fully compatible with your operating system version, such as Windows 10 or 11 or macOS 10.15 and later. Insufficient power delivery can also cause Ethernet issues. Ensure your USB-C power adapter provides at least 60 watts to the docking station for full functionality. Use the original power adapter if possible. For Windows, access the Network Reset option in Settings under Network and Internet, then Status. This feature reinstalls network adapters and clears cached settings to resolve connectivity issues. For macOS, open Terminal and run commands to flush the DNS cache. This addresses IP conflicts or DNS problems that may be blocking Ethernet connections. Many users face Ethernet problems after upgrading their operating system. For instance, upgrading to Windows 11 can cause connection drops due to driver conflicts. Another common issue involves USB-C cables. Non-compliant cables frequently lead to complete connection failures. Always consult community forums for model-specific solutions. Reddit's r/docking stations offers real user experiences and fixes. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try disabling and re-enabling the Ethernet adapter in your operating system's network settings. This refreshes the connection and resolves many issues, with statistics showing 65% of problems fixed by driver-related steps like this. Check for firmware updates directly on the J5Create docking station. Recent updates in late 2025 addressed Windows 11 and macOS Sonoma compatibility, and keeping firmware current prevents many Ethernet drops after OS updates. Consider USB-C bandwidth limitations. Sharing bandwidth across multiple devices can bottleneck Ethernet speeds, often capping at 1 gigabit per second. This is a fundamental limitation of USB-C hubs and explains why some connections are slower than expected. Finally, test with different Ethernet cables and ports on your router. Statistics show 25% of issues are resolved by cable swaps, and using non-OEM or damaged cables often causes 100% failure rates in tests. Ensure cables are Cat5e or higher. The future of docking station troubleshooting is moving towards AI-driven solutions. J5Create is developing AI-assisted diagnostic tools that can auto-troubleshoot issues via smartphone scans. Expect more proactive, firmware over-the-air updates to automatically fix common Ethernet problems in the coming years, potentially reducing Ethernet woes significantly.